Hi there. Today is my first YouTube video on trying to solve any problems, really. Today I'm working on a 2012 Dodge Ram Cummins diesel 6.7 liter, and I'm replacing the oxygen sensor on that's required by the P2271 error code. And so anyway, I'm going to get under there and show you where it's at and what it looks like. Okay, so here's my little $15 eBay scan tool, and I'm just going to carry this in the truck with me at all times so that I can figure out what's going on with my truck. Since they don't tell you, you gotta have one of these nifty little scan tools. Oh, now it says I have 3 errors. Oh, yeah, that's not good. Okay. Still trying to figure out how to use this. Yep, there's 2271. And not applicable. I don't know what that means. Not applicable. Alright, I haven't seen that before. And before I was getting a P2271 without a P. I'm not sure what the P is at the end there of the code. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and erase this and see if it comes back on. Okay, that's all for now. I'll let you know what happens. Alright, so here she is. And I got my little towel here because I'm working in the dirt, which is always fun. And we can see our catalytic converter up here. And on my truck, I've got this little guy back here behind the second canister. I think that's a NOx sensor. The one I'm looking for is bank 1 sensor 2, which is this guy right here. Okay, so in order to disassemble this thing, we need to unclip the plug, which I found the easiest way to do that is just to pull it off the frame, which is in there with just these little plastic retainers. And then to unclip the plug, you have to push this other little retainer, and then it was actually mine was actually pretty welded together with the mud and dirt. But yeah, so that little piece right there just pushes in towards the wiring, and then it lets go of that little tab there and pulls apart. And so today I don't have my box end wrenches, my regular wrenches. I just have a crescent wrench. It looks to be about a 20 or 21 millimeter hex on there. I just use my crescent wrench. So this is what it looks like when it's out. This thing is pretty sooty. I want to clean it up, take a look at it, see. But these things are cheap enough on eBay and Amazon and whatnot that I'll go ahead and just order a new one. Hopefully that's the problem. Alright, good morning. This is a week later, and I've got my new Deisel oxygen sensor since the gasoline trick didn't work. Check out this new sensor. Looks like an exact match. Somebody was saying that the markings on the Denso are the exact same as the markings on the Bosch. So for 40 bucks, I went with the Denso, and we'll see how it goes. Everything looks exactly the same. So I'm going to put this thing in, and I'll also put a link to this Denso sensor for Amazon if you all found value out of this video and you click on that link. Then it's like donating, you know, a few cents to me, which would be awesome. The work involved in putting together this video, I'd appreciate it. And then also there might be a link on there for the code reader, the computer that I use to find out the error code. And anyway, all right, I'm going to put this in and let you guys know how it works out. Well, I just want to conclude this video letting you know that I've driven this truck about 400 miles since I fixed the O2 sensor, replaced it, and hope this video helped you out. The check engine light has not come back on, so the truck is happy about it. And yeah, if you found this video helpful, click on the links for the replacement O2 sensor and possibly the error code reader, code scanner. If you would like to understand more about the issues that come up with these trucks, that scanner will help you out. All right, thanks a lot.